Amazing benefits of ginger which you are not aware. Ginger is of two types, wet and dry. Dry ginger is oily, unctuous and hence tolerable for longer time. Dry ginger loses the moisture and becomes more concentrated. Hence it is hotter than wet ginger. Generally, the shelf-life of dry ginger is 1 year. The hotness of dry ginger is limited for a short period of time. This is because the fire in it is dry and due to the absence of oiliness. Hence, it acts locally on the stomach fire, while wet ginger is more effective on the intestines. While wet ginger can cause diarrhea and is more useful in treating constipation. In case of skin disorders, anemia, bleeding disorders, non-healing wounds, fever and while having burning sensation, fresh ginger should be avoided. A bit of cardamom is usually added to tea made with fresh ginger. This helps avoiding throat irritation and dryness of soft palate, especially in places of high humidity. Home remedies which are effective. There are innumerable home remedies with ginger, the wonder herb. From a range of conditions from excess sleepiness to inflammation, asthma, hiccups and toothache. Some of the popular remedies are given below. 1. To get rid of excess sleepiness remedy. A teaspoon each of fresh ginger juice, fresh lemon juice and honey, mixed well is the best remedy to become energetic. It also helps to get rid of excess sleepiness, indigestion, vomiting, nausea, and headache. It is also a good remedy to relieve hangover. 2. Indigestion issue remedy. In indigestion, a decoction of dry ginger and rock salt is very helpful in tackling undigested material. 3. Jaundice fever remedy. In jaundice, taking a teaspoon of dried ginger powder with some jaggery twice a day acts as liver tonic. 4. Diarrhea remedy. In diarrhea, boiling dry ginger and couscous roots is very effective. Couscous roots, generally known as Chrysopogon zizanioides, or commonly known as vetiver, is a perennial bunchgrass of the family. In the United States the cultivar is named Sunshine, after the town of Sunshine. Add the combination in a glass of water and take it thrice a day to arrest loose motions. 5. Sinusitis remedy. 2 to 3 drops of ginger juice is instilled into nose to create irritation and expel sputum so as to relieve sinusitis. Some people may find this intolerable, hence be cautious. 6. Relieve joint stiffness remedy. Ginger powder mixed with till or sesame oil or any pain-relieving oil, is applied as paste to relieve joint stiffness and improve blood circulation. 7. Abdominal colic pain remedy. To treat bloating and abdominal colic pain, sour buttermilk mixed with a pinch of rock salt and 1 or 2 grams of ginger powder at night, before food is useful. 8. Common cold, fever remedy. During cold or asthmatic attacks, crushed ginger is added to boiling water and tea is prepared with this water. Drinking this tea decreases inflammation and relieves congestion and body ache. In asthmatic conditions, a few garlic cloves may be added to the above tea. 9. Relieve asthma remedy. Ginger may be mixed with mustard oil and applied externally on the chest to relieve congestion for asthma patients. 10. Earaches remedy. In case of earaches, a few drops of warm ginger is instilled in the ear to relieve pain and clear the infected material. 11. Piles remedy. In piles, make small balls of dry ginger and jaggery and eat a ball twice a day to reduce the masses and allow free passage of stool. 12. Arthritic remedy. For arthritic joints, a decoction of dry ginger, castor roots should be taken every morning for lubrication of joints and relief from pain. 13. Blood in urine remedy. To treat blood in urine, boil a small piece of dry ginger in a glass of milk and drink twice a day to arrest bleeding. 14. Hiccups remedy. For hiccups, mix jaggery and ginger juice and instill a few drops in the nostrils to stop hiccups. 15. Toothache remedy. To treat toothache, apply a paste of dry ginger on the outside of the cheek at the point of pain. 16. Swelling issue remedy. To treat swelling following any sting, dry ginger paste mixed with yogurt is an effective topical application. 17. Heart conditions remedy. In heart conditions, taking a decoction of dry ginger often in the morning is helpful. The above is just sample of multifarious use of this miracle herb. There are several Ayurveda medicines prepared with ginger. One cannot but wonder at the bounty of nature for this versatile herb. Many thanks to Dr. Janardana V. Heber for sharing these remedies. We request you to subscribe to our channel, which will help us to inform you as and when we upload a new video.